Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miranda and tonight for dinner I'm making air fryer steak fajitas, and it takes about 20 minutes to have it all done. So let me show you how I do it. Go ahead and preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I do it for about 3 minutes. While your air fryer is preheating, go ahead and chop 1 red bell pepper and 1 green bell pepper. Also chop up a purple onion, and hopefully you won't be crying like I was, and then mix them all together. Go ahead and spray both pans with nonstick cooking spray and add in your vegetables. I'm using both bins. Stick them in the air fryer and cook on 400 degrees for 8 minutes. While your vegetables are cooking, go ahead and take your steak, pat it dry, and then go ahead and slice it into finger width slices. Go ahead and add your steak to a bowl and then season with some fajita seasoning. Remove the baskets from the air fryer and then go ahead and add your steak on top of the vegetables. Just make sure it's kind of spread it out, and then go ahead and spray with some non-stick cooking spray. Place back in air fryer and cook for 18 to 13 minutes depending on how well done you like your steak. Okay, they are all done cooking now. I did put them in both baskets because it was a lot. So if you have a small basket, cook it in batches. If you have a really big one, you can cook it all at one time. But if you like videos like this, make sure you comment below, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, definitely subscribe. And then either join me for another recipe video or a what I eat in a day.